You know, camping in an RV, it's all about freedom and adventure. But it also comes with some challenges, from monitoring electrical and plumbing systems to staying connected in remote locations to worrying about the safety of your tires while towing. There's a lot to keep track of. But I got some good news for you. Newer RVs are bringing technology to the rescue with upgrades that help you simplify setup and stay connected off the grid, and so much more. In this video, we're going to break down some of this year's hottest RV tech features, starting with one of the biggest trends in towables, smarter RV control systems that put everything from lighting to leveling all in the palm of your hand. Okay, you ever walk into an RV, take a look around at all the buttons, the glowing things, and say, which button's gonna do what? Well, you're not alone, especially with the way systems are controlling everything from slides to lights to tank heaters to water pump to jacks and everything in between. That can be confusing and overwhelming, especially for new RV owners. That's where programs like One Control comes in. This allows you to operate everything on the RV, lights, awnings, you can even run out slides, check your monitor panel, all from your cell phone. But the folks at Salem and Wildwood actually took it one step further. They actually include the little mini tablet with the RV. As you can see, I have it plugged in here. It pairs up to your RV. The app is already installed, so you don't have to worry about putting anything on. And same thing, I can check my tanks, run out my awnings, put my stabilizer jacks down, the whole nine. It's pretty much a tablet where if I just want to walk around the RV and control stuff, it's already built in. Pretty sweet on an already sweet coach. You know, for us, one of the biggest benefits of this system is the ease of one-person setup. I mean, it's nice to be able to control those functions on your RV from the palm of your hand without having to go out there and physically do it. Especially if you're looking to get set up at camp as quick as possible and start enjoying that RV that you just spent a lot of time traveling in. So having something like this, a tremendous benefit. I mean, I'm about to run the awning out sitting down. It's all about ease and efficiency, and RV systems coming up this year, man, they're delivering it like crazy. Even if you don't have a new Salem or Wildwood, with Lippert's One Control app, you're not out of luck. Many RV manufacturers now offer similar technology, such as Keystone's In-Command system or Firefly RV's platform, used in brands like Grand Design and Crossroads, that lets you monitor and manage the RV just as easily as this. And while these systems make it easier to connect your RV's critical systems, our next hot tech feature is all about staying connected to the outside world while you're in here. Let's talk about that ever-popular Wi-Fi. Whether you're working remotely or streaming movies on a rainy day, reliable internet can really make or break a camping trip. So previously, such connectivity required aftermarket modifications, additional wiring, or setting up portable hotspots, and it was pretty expensive. That's why newer RVs are being built with factory-installed Wi-Fi prep, making it a lot easier for campers to integrate plug-and-play routers and/or satellites. Grand Design's Omni Connect package is a great example. Found on the new Solitude fifth wheels, it includes rooftop wiring and a dedicated port that lets you plug and play Starlink systems straight in. No drilling, no guesswork. Other brands, such as Thor's Eddie Bauer Sprinter vans, the East to West College Avenue Class C motorhome, and Jayco's Terrain Class Bs have followed suit with their own exterior Starlink plugs for quick plug-and-play compatibility. And side note, if you're curious how much easier this is than a Starlink install on a non-prepped unit, check out the tutorial linked in the description down below. Excuse me, we got to pause 10 seconds for some station identification. This buying guide is brought to you by Starlink. Starlink, when the stars are out, your links never in doubt. Thank you. Hey man, I had to do it, I'm having some fun. Let's take a look at a case study using this Freedom Traveler and WineGuard. So let's take, for example, the WineGuard system that comes in this Freedom Traveler A24. There's not even any plug and play required for this one. It's pretty much just play, because the antenna is actually right above me right here. And you can control it and set it all up from the main BM Pro command system here. All you got to do is find the network name as well as the password. That's going to be in your WineGuard manual. Now, what's cool about the WineGuard system is it not only will set up a secure network inside the RV that all your devices can attach to, it's also an extender. So if you have 4G or 5G, it's going to extend that signal for you using the 360 spin that it has. Now, there are a couple of different WineGuards too that you can get or upgrade to. Just talk to your specialist us at Camping World about, hey, how do I need to upgrade it, or is mine good enough? But if you have the My RV Halo app from WineGuard, you can select extender mode, which allows you to scan for available networks, select one, rebroadcast it through your RV for improved speeds and range. Plus, with the 4G LTE mode, you will need a WineGuard SIM card or one from a compatible carrier like AT&T or Verizon. But with that SIM card installed, a built-in cellular model creates a private Wi-Fi hotspot for your RV. Practically allows you to use your data plan to create a hotspot wherever you're parked, extend a weak campground signal, or help even bum Wi-Fi from the parking lot of a coffee shop or public library if you can park close enough to it. So maybe I shouldn't have mentioned that last one, but I did. Okay, so far we've talked about tech and connecting to systems. One that's going to help you monitor and manage all the systems inside your RV. The other is for connecting Wi-Fi and staying connected on the road. Next up, what do you say we talk about a tech feature that's going to make your RV a little bit safer to drive? Starting with integrated TPMS. Every RVer knows that one of the most stressful parts of towing is not knowing what's happening with your tires. A slow leak or overheating can lead to blowouts, expensive repairs, and dangerous situations on the highway. And get this, the NTSA reported over 76,000 RV accidents happen per year. Number one cause? Tire blowouts. That's why integrated tire pressure monitoring systems, or TPMS, have become a critical safety tech upgrade for towable RVs. These systems deliver real-time tire pressure and temperature data directly to your dash or any type of connected display. For example, one of my favorites, Lippert's Tire Link, which this right here is just a prep cover. You're gonna find it in a lot of RVs. This sends real-time data to your dash, to your screen, whatever. Then you take it one step further with the Lippert Pro. Now you're gonna get data directly to your vehicle's infotainment center, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. And some of these systems are factory installed on models like Keystone's Cougar, Forest River's Salem Hemisphere, and so on and so on. But I gotta tell you, one of the most important things you're gonna get is right here. One of the best techs out there. If you got the prep cover, get the actual Tire Link. Now let's take a minute and talk about a case study. For RVs that are going to be prepped with Tire Link, installation is quick, DIY friendly. The repeater plugs directly into the pre-wired port, and your sensors are actually going to sync through your smartphone using the One Control app. And it actually just takes minutes. You hit the plus bar, and then right down there you can see what you have for your tire pressure monitoring systems. It's quick, it's easy. You just got to make sure to scan the proper barcode. Then once you're connected, you're going to monitor real-time tire pressure and temperature. Both of those are extremely important for up to, get this, 20 tires, all from one easy-to-use interface. So what does that mean? You can also put it on your vehicle as well. You just need the special knobs. Now, brands like Rockwood, like we have here, Flagstaff, they actually utilize the TST TPMS, which offers similar functionality to the TireLink Pro, but comes with its own dedicated in-cab display. But whichever TPMS you choose to go with, and trust me, there are a lot out there, you should also check out Tire Minder. They're gonna help you tow safer, easier, with greater confidence. Every RV road trip, no matter how much confidence you have in what you're towing with, what you have on your RV to make it safer, sometimes you still need that little something extra to help you relax at the campsite. That's the technology we're talking about next. When it comes to entertainment systems, look, let's be honest. Older RVs often had cramped living spaces, limited entertainment options, leaving you either juggling small TVs, awkward setups, or sacrificing counter and seating space just to watch a show. But lately, upgraded entertainment systems are making in viewing that experience is way more immersive without compromising space or function. For example, models like the Campsite Elite and Sabre now offer bedroom projectors paired with rolling window shades that double as TV screens in select models. This transforms a simple bedroom into a full cinematic experience without taking up wall space or requiring an aftermarket TV mount install. Meanwhile, you got more manufacturers that are adopting the Televator lift systems in their living areas. Brands like Salem and Wildwood use these lifts to hide TVs when not in use, freeing up counter space and keeping interiors looking clean and open. You get the best of both worlds. Large screen entertainment when you want it, maximum usable surface area when you don't. And the TVs themselves, they keep getting bigger. Even affordable campers like Keystone's Coleman lineup, including the Lantern, Light, and Legacy models, now feature 50 or even 65-inch TVs standard, giving families a home theater experience without the premium price tag. What do you say we take a look at an example? So to show you what I mean, why don't you join me for a nice little viewing experience? I'm back in one of my favorite floor plans. This is the Keystone Coleman 29 RKS. Awesome couples coach, tons of free space, and a beautiful viewing experience, whether you're looking at TVs or whether you're looking out the windows. But I know what you're saying. Chris, where's this TV you're talking about? Well, let me show you. The great thing about the Coleman brand and their Big Six is you're gonna get big beds, you're gonna get big refrigerators, big toilets, and big TVs. And when I think about a big TV, what's a good movie we could watch, Ryan? You know, I'd kind of like to check out the John Wick series again. Those were awesome. 4 kind of let me down a little bit, but I think that's probably a good one. Or Homeward Bound, Fiefel's Tale. Yes, you know, I think maybe that's the one we watch. But oh my goodness, now you have yourself a complete viewing. Oh, who's that handsome guy? Now you got yourself a complete viewing experience, 65 inches corner to corner. TVs have gotten to the point where our RVs can be movie night outside. Heck, with these giant windows, your neighbor could enjoy whatever it is you're watching on this TV. Is that bigger than what you have in your house? Because it's bigger than what I got in mine. Speaking of, Ryan, how much you think this weighs? Now, I don't know about you, but all this talk about tech, it's got me parched. One second. Which is actually a perfect intro into our final hot tech feature of the year, water safety and management. Now, access to clean and safe water is one of the most critical parts of any RV adventure. But on older RVs without proper filtration, you might worry about contaminants in the campground water, what you're gonna get when you're there. And with traditional water lines, a minor issue in one fixture could shut off water to the entire camper. Newer RVs are tackling both of these challenges with things like integrated water filtration and advanced water management systems. For filtration, brands like Campsite Reserve, Campsite Ultra, they actually include a single canister style filtration system that's actually built right into the travel trailers, ensuring you get fresh, clean water without the need for extra attachments. Meanwhile, most of Jayco's luxury fifth wheels, toy haulers, and travel trailers feature the triple canister Nuvo H2O water filtration system, providing enhanced water quality across multiple points of use. But filtration is only part of the story. Keystone Cougar's fifth wheels introduced an innovative water management system inspired by residential plumbing manifolds. What am I talking about? Well, let me show you. This year, Keystone integrated this central water hub right here, allowing you to shut off individual lines, hot and cold, to anything inside the RV. Let's do a quick case study. Let's say your RV is washer dryer prepped, but you don't intend on installing them right now. Maybe you don't intend on installing them at all. Without water shutoff, water is going to sit in those lines. That could cause some problems, potentially cause some leaking, but with that water management system, you can shut off the water here without shutting it off to the rest of the coach. A very nice feature. All right, let's take another example. Say, for a matter of fact, you find out you get to your kitchen and you have a big old leak under there. Without the proper water management system, your whole trip could potentially be ruined, because now you have to shut off the water to the entire coach just to try to address this. And if you're not handy, you don't have the PEX piping available, or you're not close to a service center to get this fixed, you're gonna have to handle it on your own, and you're gonna have to do it without water. But with the proper management system like what Keystone has, I can now cut off the water to just this. I can still shower, I can use the bathroom sink, I can use the refrigerator, I can use the outside water without disrupting my trip, giving me a chance to go ahead and schedule a service appointment to get my coach in there when I can get it in there on my time. So the water management system to me is absolutely awesome, but more importantly, probably essential at this point. From one-touch control to reliable satellite internet, today's technology is all about making that journey easier and more enjoyable. Now, if you'd like to explore some of the brands already adopting these features, I've added some links to the description down below. And before you go, I'd love it if you'd like, comment on your favorite RV tech features, and also hit subscribe so that you're the first one to know the next time we drop a new video. Until then, I'm Chris Young, and I'm gonna see you down the road. Happy camping.